Hi, my name is Hazim Adli from University of Malaysia Pahang. This is a video presentation on our project, which is related to environmental impact assessment, and we'll be focusing on Bakun Dam construction. For your information, Bakun Dam construction is a rather controversial project. It has its advantages and also disadvantages. So we need to ask people from, because we are civil engineering students, so we have to ask people from other faculties or maybe other people for their opinion and also views. The basic introduction for Bakun Dam is it's located in Sarawak. You all know that, Malaysia, one of mega structure of Malaysia. So we'll proceed with them. We'll ask them questions.
My name is Wana Hafiza. My name is Sharifah.
My name is Wong Yikang.
My name is Wanurul Hafiza.
The one that located in Sarawak, right? I have heard about the Bakun Dam. The construction of Bakun Dam have a quite controversial one.
Because in Sarawak, it really create controversial issues not only in Malaysia but worldwide.
It's a hydroelectric power that located in Sarawak. It is second tallest in the world.
Where it helps to supply electricity to the west peninsula Malaysia.
The remaining forests there have been destroyed, and the indigenous people have lost their homeland.
That this project threatens the local population, ecosystem and the environment.
Bakun Dam. Actually, I heard a lot of impact that causes by Bakun Dam. Some of them are good, some of them are bad.
It's a very good to Sarawak people, where we can generate our own electricity.
I think having a mega structure like that in Malaysia is quite good. The project will be quite impressive.
The construction of Bakun Dam is really beneficial. Hydroelectric generation will be very useful to us.
I had heard that construction using the wrong design makes concrete.
The most significant is the deforestation. Because of the Bakun Dam, it involves a very large scale of deforestation. That's why it caused a very big impact to the biodiversity. For example, the fish species and the bird species.
It is not safe to people that living in the Rajang River, where if the Murun Dam is break, and then it will affect on the Bakun Dam.
One of the most highlighted issues is the destruction of indigenous people that live along Baloi and Sungai Rajang River.
And one of the things is, actually it seems that the East Peninsula Malaysia is already enough sufficient for the electric supply. However, the Bakun Dam supply is too much, and maybe it will about 50% of waste on the electric generated by the Bakun Dam.
Yes, I exactly think that EIS report is greatly associated with Bakun Dam. They must be enforced to overcome any problems arise from this dam construction.
I think it is needed.
Yes. Before we construct the dam, we must know the impact to the people and the environment in the future.
For a massive project like Bakun Dams or any other project, and environmental impact assessments need to be done on that before the project is carried on.
Every single thing or decision we take, we must achieve the agreement from all the involved parties.
opinion, I think as an engineer, we have to make a right decision.
So now you guys have it. Right, so in terms of the Bakundam project, you have a lot of rather disadvantages as compared to advantages. With the political issues behind the project and also the environmental issues behind the project, that makes you question why was the project still allowed to progress. So you guys, as a civil engineer or any engineers out there, you better watch out. Whatever you do reflects, and also impacts other people. In this case, the engineers people, and also in terms of long term, it affects the face of Malaysians. If this structure were to fail, obviously it's down for its man.